Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best air fryers in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading air fryers that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So, without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Ninja Air Fryer. AF101, a kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your cooking. With the Ninja Air Fryer, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional methods. This means guilt-free indulgence, all while keeping your heart happy and healthy. The fryer offers a temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to gently dehydrate or quickly crisp your food with convection heat, giving you versatility in your cooking. The 4-quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket can hold up to 2 pounds of French fries. Perfect for families or gatherings, it's spacious enough to cook a generous amount without overcrowding. This appliance isn't just an air fryer. It also roasts, reheats, and dehydrates. Whether you're making crispy fries, juicy meats, or dehydrated snacks, the Ninja Air Fryer has you covered. Cleaning up is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, including the basket and crisper plate. The exterior can be easily wiped clean, ensuring your kitchen stays spotless. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a versatile, healthy, and easy-to-use kitchen gadget. Number 4. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Rotisserie, Dehydrator, and Convection Oven. It's packed with features and promises to be a game-changer in the kitchen. This appliance does it all. Air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast. It's your all-in-one solution for crispy, perfectly cooked food every time. Convenience at its best, right on your countertop. No preheating required. The rapid air heating elements ensure your food cooks quickly and evenly. Say goodbye to waiting and hello to fast, delicious meals in minutes. Make your favorite fried foods with 98% less oil. The CHEFMAN air fryer lets you enjoy guilt-free indulgence while keeping your meals healthier. Perfect for anyone looking to cut down on fat. With 17 touchscreen presets, cooking is simplified. Even a novice can whip up perfect meals with minimal effort. The easy-to-use control screen makes meal prep a breeze. Cleaning is a snap with the removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts. No more scrubbing for hours. Just pop the parts in the dishwasher and you're done. In conclusion, so there you have it. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus is a versatile, fast, and healthy addition to your kitchen. Number 3. The COSORI 9-in-1 Air Fryer. This compact 5-quart kitchen gadget is perfect for meat enthusiasts. The COSORI Air Fryer uses advanced juice lock technology to deliver crispy chicken and perfectly seared steak with up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy tender, juicy results that will make your taste buds sing. Featuring 9 versatile cooking functions, steak, chicken, seafood, bacon, and more, you can effortlessly prepare nutritious meals tailored to your dietary needs. It's like having a culinary assistant right on your countertop. With a max temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer rapidly heats your food, ensuring faster cooking times. Perfect for busy families needing meals in a flash, without sacrificing taste or quality. The COSORI Air Fryer includes a 30-recipe cookbook and 100-plus in-app recipes. The VSync app provides detailed nutritional information, making it easy to manage your diet while exploring delicious new dishes. Cleaning up is a breeze with the non-stick cooking basket and detachable components. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. In conclusion, the COSORI 9-in-1 Air Fryer is a versatile, fast, and healthy cooking solution. Number 2. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart XL Air Fryer. With its 6-in-1 functionality, it promises to make your kitchen life easier. The Instant Vortex Plus air fries, broils, roasts, dehydrates, bakes, and reheats. This versatility makes it perfect for a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to tender roasts. Say goodbye to multiple appliances. Thanks to Even Crisp technology, hot air flows top down, ensuring a perfect golden finish every time. Your food comes out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, just the way you like it. With customizable one-touch programs, cooking is made simple. Whether you're making wings, roasted veggies, or cookies, the presets help you achieve perfect results with minimal effort. No more long waits. The Instant Vortex Plus preheats in minutes, cooking your food quickly and evenly. From frozen to golden in a flash, making gourmet meals has never been easier. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations, thanks to this convenient design. In conclusion, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart XL air fryer is a game changer with its versatility, advanced technology, and easy cleanup. Number 1. The Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone air fryer. With its innovative features, it's a game changer in the kitchen. The Ninja DZ201 features 2 independent baskets, letting you cook 2 foods in 2 different ways at the same time. Say goodbye to back-to-back cooking. Perfect for families and multitasking chefs. With DualZone technology, you can choose Smart Finish to sync cooking times, or use Match Cook to copy settings across both zones. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals with ease and precision every time. This versatile appliance includes 6 cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Whether you're making crispy fries or dehydrated snacks, it has you covered for all your culinary needs. The 8-quart capacity allows you to cook mains and sides simultaneously. Fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings, ideal for quick family meals or entertaining guests with minimal effort. Cleaning up is a breeze with easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations with hassle-free cleanup. In conclusion, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart air fryer is a versatile and convenient addition to any kitchen. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.